Hello children, welcome, this is Ece. Today I'm going to teach you new sound, but first let's revise the sounds together. S, A, T, I, P, N, E, R, N, D, G, O, A, U, B, A. Now today I have a new sound for you, a new story. Let's take the book. I got the big book, number 4. Let's look. So this was the last week's sound, and now look at the picture. So you can see a girl with her mommy. Yeah, they are in the kitchen. They've got a big fridge. Oh, what kind of things do they have in the fridge? Well, they have some bottles of milk, grapes, apples, a big pie, some tomatoes, some carrots, a cucumber, some potatoes, some eggs, pickles, some juice, cheese. Yeah, you can see that. And this girl, she's hungry. She told her mom, "Mommy, can you fix me something for lunch?" And Mommy said to her, "Look what I've got." And she opened the fridge. She took a very nice jelly. Yes, but the jelly was bubbling. So Jess, her name is Jess, just started to wobble like the jelly. J, 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 j. She was having fun. J, 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 j. Do it with me. Do it. J, 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 j. So today's sound is j. You can see she has got a red jumper, jumper, some blue jeans, a jug, jam, orange juice, a green jacket. Oh, look, there are some words here. So can you see j in jug? Where is the j? Yes, it's at the beginning. Can you see? Where is the j in jeans? Yes, it's at the beginning. What about jumper? Can you hear j in jumper? Yes, it's at the beginning. What about jet? Jet. Where is jet? Yes, it's at the beginning. Oh, this is the jet. Oh, look, jumper. This is the jumper. Jeans. These are the jeans. And the jug is this green white one. So, see you in the next lesson.